Back at ya for another episode of Plant Pirates. This is our vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge, and we're gonna be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we gonna get them?
Landscape debris piles.
Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're gonna sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. And I am stoked because we have daylight savings time working for us. It's actually bright outside, or kind of light outside today. Teddy and I don't have to search in the dark, look like we're breaking into people's cars. But we gotta get going because somebody else is out to get our plants. Who is it?
British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. They'll come along and crush up all the good plants if we don't get to them first. So we're gonna get going down the road here, and we'll get back with everybody when we get something good. This is great, it's light outside.
Yeah.
I don't have to fight the dark. This is gonna be easy. All right, we just rolled up on our first find of the day, and it is a beautiful one. What do we got, kiddo?
Red Sister Tooth.
Oh man, and look at these cuttings too. They are just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, and this one is easy to root from cuttings. We'll save every one of these from the trash. Oh, they're just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, we just rolled up on a free... I don't know what it is. What
I
is
think
it?
it's like a pool box type thing.
Like a door to like a little shed?
Oh yeah, 2 doors.
Who would want just a door?
I have no idea.
I don't get it. Alright, this tree is just loaded with Meyer lemons. Loaded down. They got it netted off too, you know they're stoked. Alright, bud, what do we have?
We got Chef Lara.
Nice. This is just a solid green variety. A lot of times we find the gold Capella, the variegated variety, but this is the solid green one. It's a great hedge in our area, and it is super easy to root from cuttings. We'll save some of those from the trash. Yeah. All right, we got a huge pile of yucca here, a huge pile. Those are some big cuttings, aren't they?
Yeah.
Holy moly, we could have like a yucca forest here. And yucca is super duper easy to root without roots. And root from cuttings. It'll just, you can just throw it on the ground and it'll root. So we'll save one of those from the trash.
I'm coming for you, my little birdie. And your little dog, too.
All right, we just rolled up on a find here. What do we got, bud?
Got button ginger.
Oh, nice. And it looks like there's some bromeliads under there, too.
I think they might just be flowers.
Okay, well, button ginger's a find. We can't root all gingers from cuttings, but we can root button ginger, so we'll save some of those from the trash.
Couch.
Yeah, we have one section of a sectional. So you can't really call it a sectional. It's just a section. All right, I flew right by this, but Teddy spotted what?
Autograph plant.
Nice, also known as Calusia. Look at that. And this one is a nice hedge in our area. These big lobed leaves, super cool and easy to root from cuttings too. So we'll save that from the trash. Well, now that's a pile right there.
Yeah.
Nothing we can get, just a whole bunch of cuttings of white bird of paradise. That's a big pile. All right, we got some oleander here. Might be able to get these cuttings a little easier, bud. Look at this one right here.
Yeah,
Oh, Teddy's going for the big one. Yeah, all right. We could root multiple plants off of this. Think you can fit that in the golf cart?
Yeah.
All right. All right, what do we got, bud?
Got some rubber tree.
Some ficus rubber tree. This is probably the easiest plant to root from cuttings. We'll save a couple of these from the trash. All right, we were about to drive away, and then we spotted this elephant ear right here. Oh, there's 2 of them. Grab both of those. Yeah, and they both have roots. Oh, there's 3 of them. Get that one, too. Oh, we're definitely saving those from the trash. That is a score. Score. All right, we were about to drive off, but then we spotted... Wah, wah. All right, we have a giant crinum lily here. Does it have roots? Does it have roots? No. Come on, squirrels. Come on. You gotta get out of my way. No! Ugh. Look at them all. Come on. Like herding squirrels here. right. Came to the beach to do the surf check. I would say the surf report looks better than the actual surf looks.
Yeah.
It does look like there is something to surf out there though.
Yeah.
Super windy.
It is.
There's definitely some waves though. I think I'm going.
Okay, I'll come.
You want to go?
Yeah.
All right. All right, we're gonna go. Maybe we'll go finish. Let's go show everybody what we got first, then we'll go surfing.
Yeah.
Arr, we made it back to Pirate Cove with our loot in hand.
Let's show everybody what we got. We got a lot of stuff today, didn't we?
Yeah.
Today was a good day.
That is good.
Yeah, put those gloves on.
Okay, Raymond.
Raymond, let Teddy pull it out, okay, sweetie?
It's
We got to
spiky.
do one plant at a time, and some of this stuff is spiky. Raymond, just leave it in there and let Teddy pull it out, okay?
Got some button ginger.
Yes, some button ginger, and it still has flowers on it.
Oh,
right
and
here.
bud.
Yeah, and what's cool about this flower is it has this cone-shaped flower here, but then it shoots off these little things, and they are delicious. What do they taste like?
Kind of
Like a lemon drop? Yeah, they're so good. I'm not going to eat this one because I don't know if this homeowner, used any pesticides or herbicides on it, but you can eat them. And a lot of gingers, we have gingers like, let's see, this shell ginger over here. Yeah, we have this variegated shell ginger right here. You can see the old flower stalk there. And then we have a solid variety of this shell ginger back in here. We cannot root these from cuttings, but we can root this one from cuttings. So I'm stoked that we got that. I really like this one too. I love gingers.
Okay.
Gingers are so cool. Hold on, before we pull anything else out, let's show everybody a real rare ginger that we got on Plant Pirates.
Yeah.
Let's see, I know that we have some back here. Let's see if we can crawl back here and find it. So Teddy and I scored this variegated Hawaiian shampoo ginger on, I forget which episode of Plant Pirates, but
Like
this, go ahead.
80 something.
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
70 something.
But this is a rare one. We hardly ever find this. And this is a shampoo ginger, so this one will shoot its flower out from the base. And once the flower matures, they call it shampoo ginger because you can take it off. It has a cone-shaped flower, just like the one we just showed you. But you can take the cone off and squeeze it, and it's got like a fluid in there that you can use as a soap or a shampoo.
Yeah, I think it's one of the main ingredients in shampoo.
It may be in some,
In
probably
some.
not in a lot of them. I
Yeah.
imagine that's a hard plant to source for a product. But all right, what else we got? What's next?
I'm gonna get this out of the way.
Get that over with. The yucca. That is a big yucca too. So this is super duper easy to root from cuttings. In all honesty, all we really have to do is strip some of these leaves right here and either poke it in the ground or just lay it on the ground, and it will root and then it'll shoot up. It's a super duper hardy plant.
Okay. We've got some
Schefflera. Yes, we find this almost every week. It's a great plant. I see why people plant it.
Oh, there's a bee on it.
Where?
On the back of this leaf.
What kind of bee? Oh yeah, a little honeybee.
It's cool.
Yeah. Sorry, little buddy. I hope we didn't move you too far from your hive.
Yeah.
But it puts off this just real nice, lush green foliage and makes a great privacy hedge or just ornamental hedge or plant. I see why people plant it. It's a great one. Now there is some Schefflera in our area that's real invasive. This isn't it. This isn't the variety. It's more of like a tree, and it puts off these big bunches of berries that the wildlife just love, and they eat them up and they spread them around, and then more and more grow, and it's a pretty invasive plant. It's not as invasive as like the pepper tree,
Yeah.
the Brazilian pepper tree.
That's one of maybe the most invasive.
The Brazilian pepper tree might be the most invasive plant or species of invasive anything in Florida, and that's a bold statement for me to make. But I'm telling you, if you live in Central Florida, there's no way you don't know what a pepper tree is if you haven't been here. If you've been here for a long time, I mean, they are everywhere. They line the highways, they line the drainage ditches, they line everything. They're everywhere. So, All right, what else we got, bud?
We got some red sister tea plants.
Look at those cuttings too. These are just beautiful cuttings.
This one even has roots.
It does have roots. Look at that. Oh, and it's got a little baby.
Little baby.
It's got a little
That's the
baby
smallest tea
attached
plant
to
in
it.
the world.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, nice. And that one even has roots. Oh man, that is a score. So we got some cuttings, which are fairly easy to root, but then we got some with roots. And then we even got this little baby. Looks like a little Raymond-sized plant. What do you think, Raymond? Yeah?
Good.
All right, cool. I'm stoked about that one. Here, let's put that with them.
All right, so I found this.
Ooh, yeah. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. We don't know if someone sprayed chemicals on that or not. Raymond loves eating those things.
Yeah, he'll like run away and grab them. Okay.
Oh, I'm excited about those. Hold on. Hold on. We got 3 of those, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh man, and they have roots. So I'm real excited about the elephant ear here because almost everything that we grow here needs full sun. Almost everything I want to grow here needs full sun, but these will take full shade.
Yeah.
And we have a killer one. Let's go show everybody. We have a huge one over here somewhere. It's kind of over in the side of our property over here, but we have a huge one. Let's see, where is it? Oh, I need to clean up over here a little bit, don't I?
Yeah.
Where is it? Where? Oh, here it is. And this is one that Teddy and I got out of the trash. Right here. I mean, look at that magnificent plant right there. That is just amazing.
And one time we were in like central Florida and we saw one. The leaf was like,
Oh, yeah, it was huge.
crazy. We
It
were
was.
up some creek.
Yep. We were on the Peace River, I think. It was huge, yeah. But this is just such a beautiful plant. It's got these huge, giant leaves on them. You see why they call it elephant ears.
Growing over here.
Yeah, and then we have this one growing right here too. It probably just is a pup off of this one, but you can see here we're basically in full shade here.
Yeah, from the house.
Yeah,
and
this big house here and our house here, and then the gumbo limbos right here, and it's just it's growing like a weed back here.
Moringa seeds that fell from the moringa.
Yep, there is a moringa seed. That means that we are long past when we should have pruned this moringa right here. You can see it's huge. Step back and show everybody. It's watch out.
Well, we've got 2 of them.
Yeah, you can see it's almost as tall as the cabbage palms now, and it's got these big seed pods on it up there. And all the leaves are up there too. We really need to cut it back down to here. Even lower than we cut it last time, so we can keep track of harvesting all the leaves and everything. All right, cool.
Looks like we got some.
What do we have next? Lucia.
Lucia.
Can you get that out? Maybe you gotta
Lucia.
something else out first. Yes.
What is the autograph plant?
Yeah, the autograph plant. So this one is so cool. It's got these real thick lobed leaves. It almost looks like a succulent, except for that it gets as tall as a tree. And it's called the autograph plant because you can write your name in the leaf with like a, if you take a nail or your fingernail, you can write your name in the leaf and it will stay there until the leaf dies. Super cool plant. Super cool. I'll never forget when we first moved down to Florida, the first home we owned down here had a hedge of this along the whole property line, and I just thought it was so amazing. I've just never seen a plant like this. There's no plants like this where I come from in the mountains. Oh, Raymond got something good. What is it, Raymond? What do you think it is?
A plumeria?
A plumeria? No. This is ficus.
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 The rubber tree. Yeah.
Ficus rubber tree.
Yeah, and this is the green one. I think there's a purple variety around here. And I don't know if they're the same variety or if it has to do with sunshine, but I think it's 2 different varieties. What do you think, bud?
I think it's 2 different.
Yeah.
And like Raymond said, it can get tall.
Oh, yes, it can get very tall. All right, what else? I see a big bush right there. Teddy grabbed the whole plant.
Whoa, Raymond, whoa.
We got some oleander here. So this one is poisonous to pets and probably humans, but this one will make a big, thick hedge with just gorgeous like white or pink or I think red, and maybe even white flowers. There's several different colors of flowers that you can get, but just a beautiful one. And that'll be that would make a privacy hedge too. It just makes a big, thick bush, basically.
Yeah.
Watch out, buddy. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, that's everything. So I already know what my 2 favorite finds of the day are.
Oh,
I'm gonna ask Teddy what his are.
Ginger and elephant ear.
Oh, okay. Those were good. I was maybe gonna say the tea plants,
I was
just
too,
because they're the cuttings look so fresh. We find them all the time though. This is a little rarer for us to find, so I might go with Teddy on that. I think he's right. I'm gonna go with the ginger and the elephant ears. The elephant ears are definitely my #1 find for today. What do you think?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm real stoked to get more of those. It's a plant we can plant in the shade, so take that any day. And the tea plants do okay in shade too, and bromeliads do too.
Yeah.
But most of this other stuff wants full sun. In fact, all this other stuff wants full sun. So. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the adventure today. If you did, maybe post down below and let us know what your 2 favorites are. And if you're a real fan of the YouTube channel, you can see here we have some new merch. We have several different styles available. That's one of them right there. We have other different logos and stuff, but we do have some new merch. If you scroll down, you can find that. So you could support the channel either by buying some merch or just by subscribing. That's the #1 way. Just watch, subscribe, and comment. We love all the comments. We love interacting with all the viewers. We learn a lot from the comments we get. It's kind of the reason why we do the channel. I like to document. Teddy and I have a fun doing our adventures here, but then we do other garden tours and stuff where I can document all of our plants over time and then get tips from people when they comment. When you all comment, it's great. So keep the comments coming, please. If you do like the channel, maybe you'd consider subscribing. And if they don't, what's going to happen, Raymond? What's going to happen?
The oil AAK comes there and crushes up all our plants.
Uh-oh, the British Royal Navy will come and crush up all your plants if you don't subscribe. So maybe just consider subscribing to the channel. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.